Last year, financial risks were a hot subject. This year, it seems to be an increasingly hot topic.
Yeah, that's right. If we go back to the beginning of 2007, the consensus view was for, if you like, continued strong economic growth. Of course, it played out completely differently, showing once again that financial markets aren't necessarily great predictors of the next systemic financial risk. Having said that, earlier in the year, it was possible to identify some weak signals, if you like, of the emerging problems. So, for example, the Global Risk Report in 2007 had as its top risk an asset price collapse. And in a report from the Global Risk Network in February, pointed out three dominant concerns. One was the potential for a US housing recession. The second one was for a continued oil price shock. And the third one that was flagged was the beginning of a liquidity crunch. And in fact, all of those three challenges played out during the year, leaving us at the end of the year with a huge repricing of risk in financial markets generally.
So looking at this report, the 2008 report, what are the predictions?
Sure. Well, looking forward, the big open question is how will the liquidity crunch, the evaporation of this huge amount of liquidity during 2007, how will that play out in the financial markets and in the real economy in 2008? So from the Global Risk Report perspective, we highlight three key economic challenges. Number one is a continued asset price collapse, perhaps broad-based, so not just in the US, but in property and equity markets more globally. That's a key issue. A second one, which is as we speak, oil prices are hitting $100 US per barrel, so all-time highs. We see a continuing risk there that can flow through to the real economy, although belatedly. And finally, if you like, a bit of an outlier, but we see the risk that is currently not priced into markets, that China could actually slow back. Even if it slows back to a 6% natural growth rate, that would have huge repercussions worldwide, because that is just such an unexpected event at this point in time.